Mike Foster here. It's another episode of Mike Eats the Street. Today we're going to Capriotti's and I'm getting a plant-based, it's called the Impossible Cheesesteak. Check it out. I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good.
Hey, you have a plant-based cheesesteak, right? The Impossible
Yes.
Cheesesteak?
Yeah, we have the Impossible and we have the veggie cheesesteak, which is like vegetarian chicken.
How about a small? How big are the smalls? About 6 inches?
They're 8 inches.
8 inches, yeah. Small.
Yeah. Impossible or the vegetable?
No, the Impossible one.
All right, are mushrooms and onions okay on that?
Hey, let's take a look at this thing. Okay. All right, this is the Impossible. Ooh, that gives you a good shot of it. That was pretty good. But the proof is in the taste. It's got some mushrooms, onions, melted cheese. They said it's potato based. It tastes like meat. The bun is nice and soft. Let's try another bite. Wipe my mouth. Free ad for Capriotti. This is thumbs up. Easy on the belly. Mike Eats the Street. I would check this out. There's Impossible. It's a possible brand. Impossible it's called. It's good. So I'm going to finish this up. Let my wife eat her delicious lunch. For more episodes like this, check out Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. We'll catch you then. Thank you.
Live life 365.
Hopefully it's not impossible to eat. Sweet Bobo. Thanks, babe. Look at my wife. She doesn't want it possible. She got Raising Cane's. Let's take a look at the Raising Cane's. Now that's real meat. That's what she said.